Okay, violinists, we're really just going back over basics here. So let's do that easy little D major scale. We're in the D string, we're just going 0, 1, 2, 3. It's very important to make sure, first of all, your hand is like this, not like this. Watch what happens if I pull that hand back. Correct. Bad. Okay, you'll never be able to play at all fluently or in tune if you do that with the hand. That's why we've got a shoulder rest, so it supports the instrument, and then that left hand is nice and relaxed. Okay, so check that first finger is exactly right. You should have a dot or a bit of tape or something to show you that. Once we know how to place the hand, we'll get rid of those dots and tapes and things on our fingerboard. We don't really need them because we're listening to where that goes. Yeah, that third finger wasn't quite right. It was a little bit sharp, so it was a bit dead sounding. Hear that? Didn't have to move it much, and you've got to listen to that. So when you get that ringing sound on that third finger, hear that? With the open G string, sounds beautiful. Practice that over and over and over again slowly. Even if you're an experienced player, you keep practicing that to keep your left hand relaxed and in a good shape. Okay, do that scale, and now here's Lean on Me. 1, 2, 3, 4.